Hello beautiful people, we're in the market today. As we could see, these are sections of fruits. Okay, I just discovered a certain fruit. I don't know if you have seen it before. It is called, guess the name of the fruit. This is the fruit. What do you think this is? They are very sharp.
Hey, mommy, so.
I want to take the ripe one. Oh. This is on melon. Very nutritious. I'll be getting some and I will show you how it's been eaten. Okay? Follow me. Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us on today's episode. If this is the first time of tuning in, consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification button for more videos. In today's video, I want to share with you a particular fruit and a peculiar and exotic fruit I saw in the market. So I've here is the fruit. This is kiwano melon, okay, also known as owned melon. I've actually rinsed it, but I'll just put it in the water. You know, this is very nutritious. It contains a lot of vitamins, nutrients for our daily need. So I'll just I'm going to show you how to eat it. It's very edible. The fruits from the central part of Africa and west. So this fruit is so nourishing. Take a good look at it. This fruit contains a variety of essential nutrients. It provides several potent antioxidants. For those having sugar issues, this fruit promotes blood sugar control, supports proper hydration, and promotes healthy red blood cell production, and many others. Okay, so I'll just show you how to go about it. All you need to do is to cut it. Let me see. You can just cut it. I want to show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Very edible. You can eat. It's just like a cucumber. You can eat it. You can also eat the grind here. Okay. So this is how the on melon looks like. Okay. You can use your spoon to scoop it out. You see. This is a peculiar fruit indeed. It has a kind of, the best way for me to just explain it is just like cucumber and banana. It has that mixture. This is a ripe one. If it has ripe, it has that mixture. Okay, so you can scoop it, eat the fruit. You should. Manala, have a taste. Philip, come and take. Take. Honey, on melon. It is sweet. but not that too sweet. See, this is full of life, essential nutrient for our body. Whenever you come across this fruit, please take as many as possible. Everything about the fruit is edible. You can eat also the back, but it's advisable if you have like knife, to cut it. Cut off the spikes before eating. Manuela, take more.
Fire.
Wow.
Fire.
Beautiful people. This is empty. Hey, Philip, stop. Wow. And it's very satisfying.
So I want to drop the camera and join them with these fruits. So follow us, share, like, comment, subscribe. I want to drop the camera.
Very nutritious. Hey. Manuela, now don't pour water. Don't worry. Yeah. Where's the knife? Please. Thank you.
So I want to join this fruit level. Okay? We are not cooking today.
Hey, don't drink it.
So I want to try
Manuela.
this. Try this.
You put pressure. Quick.
Manuela say hello beautiful people.
I love beautiful people. So this is another on melon, okay? Hey, Philip, come and sit down. Have your seat. Have your seat. God is great.
It's great, oh. This is my first time of testing this fruit.
Wow.
It's very nice.
As it is, if you are a smoothie lover, you can add it to your smoothie. Blend it and use it for your smoothie mixture. Philip, take.
Leave it.
Have. Kiwano melon, take. Manuela, take.
This is nice, oh.
It contains all the essential nutrients, minerals and vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, C, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, just name it, it has it all. If you have dehydration issue, look for this. This on melon, it will make your body to be hydrated. Wow.
Come and sit.
Uncle, come.
Fire,
Come.
fire, 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 fire.
Yeah, sit.
Fire, 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 fire.
At first, sighting this, it will look like like a kind of scaring object.
Mm.
This is a lovely fruit
You be like
from nature.
coronavirus.
Hey! The logo of corona. No.
This was not a coronavirus.
Hey!
Mm.
Um. Mm. The spike is very strong. We see this object. It's like a weapon. I don't know. Wow. Let me show viewers what it is. So viewers, this is the horned melon. It's like a combination of cucumber and banana. Very nutritious, very tasty. This particular one has ripened very well, so that is why we are eating them. This one's has ripe, but it will be much better for like a day or two, you know.
Subscribe. Press the notification bell. Oh,
Subscribe. Manuela, what will you tell viewers?
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Mwah.